All right, before I start this wrap, I'm gonna show y'all how to take the door handles off and the mirrors. All right, so the door handle. This little piece right here on the door, you take this out. Make sure you got a T20 screwdriver. And you just put it in there. And don't be afraid, it's not gonna drop because it stays in the hole, so you just unscrew it. You pop this piece out right here. Take that sensor off. Pull this up and you pull out. And then you take that little sensor off. All right, for the mirror, 2 screws under there. One right there, one right there. There's tabs all around the door. Make sure you don't break them. Almost forgot, before you take them tabs off, make sure you take this off right here with the T20. When you pull the door out, make sure you pull it up and you pull it up. Actually, the first step you should do, take this out, grab one of these, pull it out, and it comes out like that. And once you take the door cover off, make sure you take these 3 covers off. That goes to the mirror. After you unscrew all 3 of those, all you gotta do, pull up, take that bitch out. Now, if you're wrapping like I am, and you want to take the whole door handle off, you have to take these 2 out right here. Make sure you take this off and this off so you can pull it through there. And now your mirror off. So when you put the door handle back in, this little part right there, you got to make sure you got something to hold on to that because it's going to swing around the corner. So make sure you get something to hold on to that. Then you plug in the little plug. Same thing for here. All right, so whenever you get the door handle back in, the plug back in. See. All right, another thing. I would never wrap my car in gloss black again, because you can see this shit easily scratches up. I do it with matte black next time. Come on. All right, make sure you put this in there first. Make sure you put that in there first. And all right. So when you do this side, now, where is that part at? You see that black little hook? That little black hook? Make sure you put this piece behind it. It's gonna be a little kind of hard to see. All right, there you go. All right, it's on it. So once it's on there, you should have a little clip once you push it in there. All right, there it is. What that's gonna do is allow you to open your door again. And where is, all right, the door lock. So for this, well, you gotta plug it back in first. All right, once you plug it in, you gotta hold this open first, then you put this in there. All right, once you do that, then you just push that back in there. Open the door. Well, watch that. Then you just screw this part back in. See how the screw's still in there, like I was telling you earlier. You screw it back in there, then you good.